Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung Galaxy S22 Family 3 appearance comparison exposure. The price should be a new high, in the first batch of Android flagships using the Snapdragon 8GX Gen 1 processor. In addition to domestic brands, it is natural that Samsung, a mobile phone, is indispensable. Earlier news said that Samsung will increase the proportion of Galaxy S models using Qualcomm chips to 50% this year. Samsung is rumored to launch early 2022 flagship smartphones with very different displays compared to those of the S21 series. Now, new alleged hands-on images of accessories intended for each variant of the new line may serve to confirm some of these rumors, the altered shape of the S22 Ultra included. Before the release, the screen film leaked by MyDrivers, lens film and other accessories of the 3S22 series have been fully exposed, and the appearance can be described as unobstructed. From the front, the screen sizes of S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra increased in order 6.06, 6.55 and 6.8 inches, but the same point is the central front opening, and S22, S22 Plus look straight screens, S22 Ultra is just micro arc. For the back lens, S22 and S22 Plus are all 3 cameras, and S22 Ultra, as the best of the machines, is equipped with 5 cameras. In terms of appearance, if you look closely, the S22 and S22 Plus have ultra-narrow bezels and have the same width on all sides. The chin width of the S22 Ultra is slightly obvious. According to the whistleblower Galax, the North American sale price of the 3 models of the S22 series is $849 for the S22 standard version, $1,049 for the S22 Plus, and $1,299 for the S22 Ultra. Compared with the listing price of the S21 series in the United States, this year is at most $100 more expensive. This latest leak can't be taken as a confirmation of these specs, although their proportions might indeed hint at these general display size tiers within the upcoming series. However, the new photos might corroborate other leaks pointing to a change of a different kind in the S22 Ultra. This potential ultra-premium phablet is rumored to drop the rounded corners of the entire S21 line and, according to the new In the Wild leak, that of its S22 siblings for starker, Galaxy Note-esque edges instead. Its alleged screen protector definitely conforms to this rumor, exhibiting an almost rectangular form factor that seems only barely usable in one hand. This then, might also support the leaks that point to full S Pen support in the S22 flagship. Finally, the S22 screen protectors hint the phablet remains stuck with curved edges, whereas the S22 and 22 Plus get flat panels instead. Well, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.